Hi, today I'll show you how I made a banner for my YouTube channel. First of all, I go to Photoshop, throw the letters drawn on paper there, and wipe up unnecessary parts. I remove the background and save it in PNG format. Now I'm uploading the resulting image to Adobe Illustrator. Trace the image and disassemble it, then export it in SVG format. Modeling. I am exporting an SVG file to Blender. I put the letters in the right places. After that, I convert them to mesh and extrude them a little. Sculpting. Now I'm using the remesh modifier. I switch to sculpting mode, smooth out and inflate the letters a little in some places. Making the material. The stage of creating the material. I spent a lot of time on this, and there's not much to comment on, so at the end there will be a screenshot of all the settings that I applied. Second text. Now it remains to create a second text, which will be located behind the main one. I add text, and select the font. Now I place it behind the main text and extrude it a little. I convert to mesh and apply metal material. The last thing left to do is to position the light and render it. That's it. Write your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching.